Yeah, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Okay, so we shall start now. So we'll use the use case. So today we are going to use the case study. Using of rank transformation. Using of the rank transformation. Okay, guys. So using of the use case is to find out. Yes, to find out top 5 employees based on the salaries. That means we want to find out the top performers. That is nothing but top performers of a company. That is nothing but the employees based on the salaries. Okay, based on the salaries. So basically, when you talk about the rank transformation, the point one can identify. Yeah, can identify. Can identify top or bottom performers. That means if at all you wanted to identify the that is nothing but top performers, can identify the top performers. That means it can be based out of the employees. It can be based out of the if you take the sales data, you can take the uh, top selling 5 products, bottom selling 5 products. So any, I think any thing we can use it, but here we are using the case as the employees, top performer employees based on the salaries. Okay, so okay, that means you can also find out the bottom and as well as the top. That is something but performance based on the performance they do. When it comes to this employees, we take the criteria as the salaries, and when we take the when we take this products, it will be what is that? It will be the products. That's it. Okay, can perform. That is the rank transformation can perform normal ranking. That is nothing but normal ranking and dense ranking. Normal ranking or dense ranking. Okay, guys. So here we have two methods of ranking that is called as the normal ranking and dense ranking. So now let us see actually what is a normal ranking and what is a dense ranking. Okay, so basically this is a very important interview question. Based on this, they will ask you to write the SQL queries also. Okay. Okay, so normal ranking normal rankings, or we can say normal ranking. Guys, everyone, normal ranking. How does the normal ranking works? And how does the dense ranking works? Let us see here. What is exactly a normal ranking? Let us try to understand that first. Then we'll see the practicals. Okay, guys? Yeah. So employee number, and you have the salary. So the employee ID, let us say it here as a 1, and the salary is a 3,000. And the employee salary is 2, and the salary is, let us say here, yeah, 7,000. Yes, guys, am I audible to all of you? Salary is, let us say, 15,000, 4,000, and the salary is also what's that? 7,000. And let us say the employee ID is 5, the salary is a 7,000, and now we have a 6,000. 36 is the employee number, and 12,000 is the salary. Now tell me, how many records are there in the CSV file? Of the file which we have it here. How many records are there? Yes? Yeah. Hello. So now tell me, how many employees are there here? How many records are there? Yes? Hello.
Plus is there, right?
Pardon me.
6 plus is there, sir.
Yeah, 6. So now you have to transfer this data to the target system by ranking it. By ranking, and I'm using the method of ranking as the normal method of ranking. That is called as ranking normal. Okay. So here you have a sync system. So let us see. So we have how to make out the, or how does the ranking transformation works here. Okay. So for that, let us see here. Based on the salaries, we wanted to identify the top employees. Based on the salaries, we wanted to identify the top employees. Let us see here. How does it a normal method? So first of all, guys, the first and foremost important factor here is that whenever you wanted to use the ranking method, we must and should sort them in a ascending or descending orders. Okay. So now, guys, so here you have to sort the data according to the particular column. That means either it can be ascending order of sorting, or else it can be the descending order of sorting. Okay. So when you have the sorting has to be performed, can see here. So here, what is it? You have it. Tell me now. Suppose I'm sorting it in the descending order. Descending order. Tell me now. Descending order of sorting. Descending order of sorting. So tell me now, what is the descending order of sorting? Tell me now, what is the descending order of sorting? Tell me now. If I sort the data in the descending order, how does the data works? Tell me now. 3.
3.
Employee ID is 3, and the salary is, what is that? 15,000. Next one, tell me now. What is the next performer? Yeah?
6.
6. So 6 is again 12,000. And again, the next one, what is it? You have to tell me now.
5 or
Yeah, 5. And the 5 is the 7,000. And then we have what's that? 5.
2.
Then you have what's that?
2.
4. So here, descending order means lowest to highest. Am I right? Then we have what's that? 2. So here you have a 7,000. And now what is the least salary you have out of all? Tell me now. 1, which is 3,000. Now tell me, if at all it ranks the data, tell me now, if it is ranks the data, tell me now, how does it ranks? So now here in the target system, guys, already the data is sorted in a descending order. Now here we have to declare a new variable that is called as ranking variable. Any variable name, you can give it anything, but I'm using the variable name as a ranking variable. I'm using the name as what? Ranking variable, guys. Okay. I'm using the ranking variable. Now, so now the ranking variable. Now tell me now, you have what's it? The first one is this column we have to give it on which you want to perform the ranking. Salary is the first. So now the salary, what is the salary here? The salary is the 15,000. The salary is 15,000 and the rank is 1. Now next one, what is it you have it? The salary is 12,000. The ranking should be 2. So here you have it. The ranking should be 2. And what is it you have it? 7,000. 7,000 is given to 3 employees. 3 employees has the same salary. So now tell me, what should be the ranking given here? Guys, everyone? Yeah? Ranking 3. Again, yeah, what's that? Tell me now. 7,000. Ranking 4. Then you have what's that? Ranking. So now 5. Sorry. So 3, 3, 3. The same rank is given to all the employees who has the same salary. But whereas when you have the last performer, that is called as 3,000. Tell me now, what should be the rank given to him now? Huh? Can you see here? What is the rank will be given here? The rank will be 6. That means why? Because the rank is repeated 3 times. So it will skip a 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5 it will skip, and the next number it will give you for the next. That means whenever you have the same ranking for multiple employees, it will skip. The next rank will be, what is that? The next number after skipping. That means it will skip 3 ranks. That is 3, 4, and 5 will be skipped, and directly the 6th rank will be given to this. This is called as a normal method of ranking. This is called as what? Normal method of ranking. Clear, everyone, guys? Hello? Say something, all of you. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next one. If the same rank is applied on the dense method of ranking, instead of this one, I'm using as a dense method of ranking. Dense ranking. If I'm using the dense ranking here, guys, if I'm using the dense ranking, if I'm using the dense ranking, okay, so here I'm using the ranking method as a dense. Everything is same, but here can you see the ranks is repetitive. 3, 3, 3. But the next rank will be, what is that? Tell me now. The next rank will be, what is that? Tell me now, guys. 4 will be the next rank. Getting my point? If the rank is repetitive, the next rank will be immediate number. You will have it. Immediate number. That is nothing but ranking is skipped. No number is skipped in the dense method of ranking. So whereas these are the 2 methods we have it, where we have, what is it? The dense method of ranking and a normal method of ranking. This is a difference you have it. Normal method of ranking, it will skip the data. That means it will skip the numbers and it will give you the next number. So, but here there will be no skipping, directly 4. That means the next number will be given here. This is the other 2 methods of ranking we perform it. Yes, everyone is, I'm audible?
Yes.
Now, guys, based on this, let us try to go ahead and see this ranking method. So let us see here. Please tell me. Now, guys, based on this, let us try to move further on this. So I'm giving the specifications of the day.
Sir, I am here only, not visible.
Yeah,
I am in.
not,
Okay.
not audible or not visible.
Yeah, I am in the notepad only.
Yeah, still I'm writing in a notepad only specifications.
Okay, sure.
So the specifications, I'm writing it. Let's use the source data store. Source data storage, Azure blob storage. So I'm using some file here, employees. .csv. So I can say employees info.csv. And next one you have was that sync data store. Sync data store. Sync data storage. And the sync data storage is ADLS Gen 2. ADLS Gen 2. So here, finally, I want the file to be loaded here with the ranks. So I can say ranked employees. .csv. Or else I can use it here instead of the skins here. Instead of sync data store as ADLS Gen 2, we can also use it here as the uh, Azure SQL database. I'll use the Azure SQL database for more clarity. Okay, so anyways, I wanted to put it in the form of a table. So let's give it a table. So now, guys, I'm using a table, and here we'll use the stg underscore employees. That's it. Now this is the specifications of the day. You have it. Based on this, let us try to move further with the practical. So guys, here you have it. So I'm just opening it. So here you have it. The first one, the source we have, that is nothing but the resource group. You have to create it. I'm creating the resource group here, guys. So click on the create. Now click on this. Resource group. The resource group is in ranking RG. So click on this and click on the create. Now the next one is the resource group is ready. So I'm going ahead with the creation of the source. My source is what is that? Azure, that is nothing but blob storage. Or you can also use for the Gen 2, doesn't matter. So I'm just using the blob storage. So click on the create. And now, guys, I'm using the source ranking as the name for this. source ranking. Source ranking 1. Let us review it. Validation. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, the next one I'm using it here. So let's do one thing now. Let's
Story.
go. Yeah. SQL DB. And now create the database. And now guys, select the resource group as it is. And now I'm giving the target DB. That's the name. And you have to define the server. So server is what is it? I'm giving the server name as Durga Soft server. Click on the authentication method and use the name here as a Durga admin. And now the password. Click on OK. The next one is what? Click on the networking tab. Allow the firewall settings by selecting the public endpoint. So, and even we have to basically change the that is nothing but the pricing tier as well. So it is taking by default standard this one. So I don't want this in the vCore based purchasing model. I want the DTU based basic for less demanding workloads. This is basically to reduce the cost because we are not having much data with this. Okay. Click on the create. So now, meanwhile, my source is ready. So go to the source. Containers. So use it input and click on the create. Click on this, upload it. Browse it. Now select the file which you require it. Employees info. Upload it. Successfully, the data is uploaded now. Okay. So now let's come back and refresh it. Meanwhile, the database is creating. Let us go and create the data factory as well here. So let's go to the data factory. Instance, what is it? DF data factory. Okay, I'm using instance data factory. That's it. Click on the review. Click on the create. So let's see here. The database, it is not being created. Redeploy it. So let's redeploy. I think the name is contradicting with the existing one. Select the resource group. And now the DF1, instead of this instance ranking DF data factory. So click on the create. Now click on the create. So now it will create the database. So the database is ready now, guys. Here the database is ready. So click on this login, the database. Click on this OK. Go to resource. Launch it. That's it, guys. Okay, guys. So now let us, you have it here. The database is ready. That is a target system. And here we have the data factory is also ready. So now let us start with the data factory. Click on the expand tab. So guys, now click on the manage. And now click on the new. Yeah, tell me.
Azure SQL.
Yes, the first link service, you have to use it as what? First, you have to use it for blob. The two link services. Tell me, what is it? Azure SQL?
Azure
Oh,
SQL database.
yes. Yeah, it's ready now. So, anyways, the first one I'm creating it for the blob storage.
Okay.
ls underscore blob underscore source. That's it. And now select it here, everyone. Select it here. And now select it. So that's it. Click on test connections. And now click on the create. That's it. Now click on the new. And now use it as SQL. And now, and then we have what's it? ls underscore SQL db underscore sync. Select it here as it is. And select the server name. And select the database. And now, guys, come to the username and password. You have to provide it. So give the username as a Durga admin. Password. Click on test connections. Click on the create. So click on the guys other and now start designing the data flow directly, because you can create a data sets, everything in the data flow itself. So I'm just apart, that is nothing but I'm using this df underscore ranking. This is the name for the data flow. And now I'm starting the Apache Spark cluster. So all the commands here, the data flow will run on Apache Spark cluster. So hence we have to initiate it. So meanwhile, click on the source, add source. And my source is what, guys? My source is blob storage. So hence create a data set. So I can give it here. Just change the name here before we move ahead. So because I wanted to give the employees details, click on the new. And now here you have a blob storage. So just click, because the storage is the blob, select the blob storage. And now here the file is a CSV file, select it here. And now provide the name here. So ds underscore, guys, everyone, ds underscore, and that is something what blob underscore ranking.
Yes.
So select it here, the link service, and now browse it. Input employees. That's it. Now click on OK. Now the data set is ready for the source. And now, guys, I want to start the development process. Further, what is it you have to do? Okay. So now the next one is immediately soon after this. So soon after this, what is it I wanted to do? Tell me now. I wanted to perform the ranking, but before we perform the ranking, what is that we require? We require to sort the data first. Am I right? We
Yes.
require to sort the data.
Stop that.
And apart from sorting the data, we even require to create a new column that is called as a ranking column. Am I right? So
Yeah.
how many transformation is required here? So we
Two.
require, so guys, we require what's it? The following transformations. The first transformation, I'm just writing it here. So before we see the first transformation, let us see the data preview, which displays the data here. So now, guys, anyways, it's displaying. Okay.
Okay.
Now, guys, meanwhile, I'll add the derived column transformation. So for that, click on this because I don't want all the 8 columns are there now. I don't want all the 8 columns. Parallelly, I wanted some columns to be erased and also one column to be added. That is called as what?
Derived.
I want that is something what ranking column I wanted to add it. So hence, or else I can use it here, guys. Instead of derived column, I can also use it here. First of all, I wanted to select the required column. So I can use the, can you see here? Select a transformation. I can use what's it? Select a transformation. Use the select transformation. Select transformation will give you only the row selection. So I can give it here. Cell required, cell required. Guys, I'm using cell required REQ transformation. Cell required transformation. That's it, guys. Cell required columns, I can say. So now cell required columns. So now select the required column. So out of all these columns, I want some columns to be erased off. So guys, I don't want some of the columns. That is nothing but I want the commission, hire date, and manager. I don't want it. So just delete it. Select it here. Select it here as it is. Select it, delete it. And now can you see here? This is the thing we have it. So now, guys, here you have what is that? Cell required column has only the 5. But now I wanted to add one more column that is called as a ranking column. So, guys, so here we'll use the transformation called derived column transformation. So use the derived column transformation and give it here. So I'm using column type casting. I can add a new column here. Typecasting means changing the data type of the data. So, or else you can so add or select a column. So here you can see. So can you see here? And yes, first of all, what I will do here is Employees, just select it here, all of you. See here, what is it? You have it. Employee I number is there. So now put the control. Open this expression builder. Now, what is that I wanted to do? I wanted to typecast it. Typecasting means what? I wanted to change. See, ABC means it's a string type now. I wanted to change it to the, yes, I wanted to change it to what? Integer. So use to integer. Use it here to integer. That means typecasting means changing the data type to integer. To integer. I want to use it to, sorry, okay. Use it to integer. To integer. What is the to integer I wanted to use? Tell me now. The to integer I wanted to use it here as a employee number. That's it. Okay. Click on the save and finish. So now we have changed it. See here, we have typecasted it. Okay. Now I wanted to add. I wanted to modify the existing column. So I'm using the what is it? I want to tell me salary. Salary is also the string type here. So I wanted to change it here to the see. Salary is also ABC. So to integer, I'm changing it the data type and now use it here. That's it. Click on that. Add it. Okay. So now the next column, I wanted to one more column. I wanted to change it here, the data type that is called as a department number. Just put the control, add dynamic contents. There is only one open expression builder. So use it here to integer. To integer. And next one, what is it? You have it. You what is it? You have it. Department number. See here, converted. So just do one thing, refresh it. Now, once you refresh it, click on the save and finish. See here. So now, guys, after all this, what is it you have to tell me now? See, what is it? Now the 5 columns are there. That is fine. Now I'm using the direct rank. Rank, I'm using it, guys, everyone. So use it the rank transformation rank. So I'm not declaring any column right now. So can you see here? I wanted to use it the ranking. The name of this transformation is ranking. Okay. And now, guys, I want to give the ranking column. So I want employees rank, employee ranks. Okay, that's what I wanted to give it here. And now here I wanted to perform the that is something but order of sorting. So now which on which I wanted to use salary, guys. I wanted to use what's it, salary here. Select the column, select it here. Hmm. So here, based on what you wanted to I wanted to sort it according to the sal. Now I wanted to give the just a minute, guys. I wanted to use it here. See here, descending. Just put the control here. So salary. So select it here as it is salary. Salary, I want to give it as what? Descending order. I want the salaries. That's it. Okay. So salary, sal is what's it? Data type is what? Now it is C. It is reflecting whatever we have changed. It's reflecting now. So once that is done, and now what is it I wanted to do? I want to give it here ranking, normal method of ranking. Normal ranking. So now then again, what is it you have it? If you want to change it to the dense ranking, you can click on this button also. So it will change it to the dense ranking. So now guys, finally click on the data preview and refresh it. So to see how the data is coming. Every step you can debug. That's not a problem. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. They're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 11. 12 is not there. 13 is there. It is skipping it. This is called as a method of ranking. If you see, guys, I'll show you even that as well. Use the dense method of ranking now. Now just refresh it once more. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, and again 11. There is no skipping here. Am I right?
Yes.
Huh? So
Yes.
this is how the dense ranking and as well as the normal
Right.
method of ranking will work here. So finally, guys, so do one thing, add the sync here. So add the sync. So now sync. So, okay, I'll use it to the method of ranking as a normal ranking. Instead of dense ranking, I will change it to the normal ranking. Go to the settings. Do you have any data set here? No, we don't have a data set. Select it here. I will make it to the normal ranking method here. Select the same. And now guys, select the sync system and you don't have any table data set. So click on this. And now my target is what? SQL DB. So select the SQL and now provide the name here. What's that? DS underscore SQL DB underscore normal. Normal. That's it. Okay. So create a new table. You don't have any table. So I'm giving DBO. So I'm using it. Normal ranking. Normal ranking TBL. Normal ranking TBL. I want to create it. That's it. Click on OK. That's it, guys. So just set it, refresh it before you run this onto the pipeline. That's it now. So now guys, go to the pipeline, click on new pipeline and now give the pipeline name. So I'm just giving the pipeline name as PL underscore ranking. Select the move and transform, select the data flow, drag and drop the data flow. That's it, guys. Now select the settings, select it here, DF ranking, debug. That's it now. That's it, guys. So now it's fine, ready. Okay. So guys, it's in progress. Just a minute. Now succeeded. Go to the target database. Select it here. You have a normal ranking TBL. So you want to select it. Select star from what's it? Normal. Just choose it here. Select it, run this. That's it, guys. Finished. Okay. Now this is the data. Okay, guys, clear. So that's it. So here, this is the method we follow it here. Okay. So now, guys, so with this we have done this. Okay. And few, that is the SCD slowly changing dimension topic, and as well as the rest of the topics, the videos will be uploaded to you. You can just go through this video, or if you feel that you want to attend it, so you can attend it in some other batch, because the people are not attending here. So that's the reason. Okay, I've been instructed to close this batch basically. Okay, so if you have any issue, you can just attend it in some other batch. Okay, just ask me. I'll send you the link and everything. I'll arrange it for you. No problem. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
when it is, starts another batch?
You want to attend the new batch, or this one existing batch only?
Uh, because I have some health issue, that's the reason I'm not attending the here proper way.
Okay. So
If,
if you want to attend it from the beginning,
uh,
you can attend it the same slot from Tuesday onwards. We
sir,
are just starting up. You can attend the same batch, 6:30 a.m. So you can attend that batch, no problem.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah,
And rest of all the videos till the okay, this SCD slowly changing dimension and all those things will be uploaded by
sir.
today evening. It will be done. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sure.
guys, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
Hello,
you. Yeah, please tell me.
sir. Can you please upload the interview related questions?
I'll send you in the WhatsApp group. That's one. Okay.
Okay. If any doubt, you can
Please
follow
get
that.
back to me. No problem. If any doubt, just get back to me. Okay.
Okay.
But message me directly. Personally, you message me. So
Okay.
that I will respond it. Okay. Because the you cannot message in the group. So hence you can just do it. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time and this thing, for cooperation. So you will, I'm just closing this batch now. And if you want, you can attend it anytime, no problem. A new batch you can attend, or this topics also you can attend in some other batch if you require it. That's not a thing. And the new batch means 6:30 it's starting, or running existing batch if you want. Some 9:30 a.m. is there, ADF, so that you can attend it, no problem, as per the convenience.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Yeah, tell me.
Thank,
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
thank you.